Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I am sharing my kitchen Christmas tour, or my Christmas kitchen tour for 2022. If you are interested in seeing my tour, just keep on watching. So of course I'm going to start and work my way around. I have this little snack station for my family. You can chomp on sweets, eat on sweets. Those cookies right there, oh my goodness, they are so addicting, from Walmart. And of course I have the Little Debbie's gingerbread men and snack cakes. Now this probably will grow as the season goes on, but this is what we are starting with in our little snack station. Here's my dishwasher, and I have these beautiful towels where tree tops glisten. I picked that up from Dollar General's Popshelf, and these are actually bath towels, but I love them so, hand towels, but I love them so, and I wanted to put them here because of the tree tops. That was a set of 2 from Ross. And of course my paper towel holder that everyone asks me about every time I show it. I found this paper towel holder thrifting. It was marked $3 and I got it for $1.50. I'm thinking about painting it, but I'm not sure, so I'm gonna hold off on it until I truly decide what I really want to do. And that's that infamous paper towel stamp with the faucet that I love to do. So the first person that gets to use the paper towel or needs one, they get a little treat. I guess you call it a little treat. Anywho, over my sink or at my window, I have something beautiful to look at. These Mercury trees. I also found thrifting. The joy sign, I think that was a Target one spot sign one year that I picked up. And then I have some picks sitting there, just to give me something pretty to look at as I do the dishes. Up above is a velvet green valance, because the colors in here are green, white, gold, and mixed with silver. So I'm loving that. Next to my sink, my kitchen has to smell good, right? I have some air freshener by Febreeze and this beautiful soap dispenser. I wish I could find a gold one. Would love to have a gold one or another silver one. Found that at Ross, that soap dispenser, and the tray that I have it in, I found at Burlington's one year, and I think they still have that tray. They come in 2 different sizes. So in the corner, you can barely see the wording on it, but it says Merry Christmas. Picked that up last year from Dollar General's Popshelf, as well as these beautiful green trees last year, Popshelf. more of those picks. The green candle from Michaels, sitting on a tray that I already had. And the word bless, that metal bless word, I already had as well. Loving this little corner vignette. Now my kitchen has to be functionable. I have to have space to cook. And that function is that Cosori. So that pretty much stays out. Utensils stay out. On the range, I have another candle, excuse me, from Walmart. It's a Better Homes and Gardens candle. And then the repeat of the towels on the range with the where tops glisten and the trees. Love that. Don't mind the blue. Those are my caraway pots. Use those as well. And in this vignette here, I have this little lamp that I found thrifting. If I can recall the name of that lamp, but I got it for $5. The ornament candy dish I had for many, many years. That candy dish is about 20 plus years old. And I have mints in it. Green mints. But yes, that candy dish is 20 years old. And then that Believe sign is from Dollar General Popshelf. Now my kitchen island is dressed. If you follow me, I have uploaded a video on my tablescape, and this kitchen island kind of mimics the tablescape other than the flatware. I did, however, change the placemats. I found some placemats in Hobby Lobby, a set of 4. So that did change. Charger from Amazon, dinnerware from Home Goods, napkins, and you'll see the runner right there from Tablecloth Factory, and bling from Totally Dazzled. Love, love, love this place setting. And I have 2. So 2 people can sit here at the kitchen island, and they do. Now I have this dispenser here that I purchased, I think last year, and I'm going to be putting some drinks and punch and different things together for my family. So I did bring it out, and I wanted to sit out throughout the season. And I have it on a pedestal that I picked up one year from Hobby Lobby. And moving to the right, I have these beautiful trees. I have these beautiful trees from Burlington's that I picked up, I think, last year. Picks all around this nativity scene that I picked up from Walmart, which I have on a smaller pedestal to match the one with the drink dispenser. And I have all of it sitting on this silver tray. And again, this table runner Came from Tablecloth Factory. It mimics the actual tablecloth that I had or have on my table in my kitchen nook. Let me swing this way so you can see these beautiful green pillows in my bar stools. They are so gorgeous. And what I do, I take wedding headbands and tie them around my pillows, giving me that touch of bling. Guys, this is a tour of my kitchen, my Christmas kitchen for 2022. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and shop my Amazon store where you can find beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there. And I will talk to you real soon. Love you guys.